Use substitution to solve the system of equations. So the substitution method is specific, and it's usually used when you already have one of the equations already solved for one of the variables, and so then it makes it easy to substitute in. So in this case we see that y is already solved to be negative 3x, and we see a y there. So we're going to plug that negative 3x in for the y and write down the resulting equation. 2x plus 6 times the negative 3x, which was the y, equals 7. And then we do our algebra and solve it out, and we get x equals negative 7/16. Now, when you're using the substitution method, you use the equation to solve back into that's already solved for y, so that it's easy. It's y is equal to negative 3 times x, but x is negative 7/16, and that comes out to be 21/16. So the solution to the system is negative 7/16, 21/16. Now you can always check any of these on the graphing calculator. Knowing that the graphing calculator is going to come out with decimals for the intersection point, I'm converting this on the calculator into the decimal version and the y value into the decimal version. So then, in order to graph them in the calculator, you have to take the equation and you have to solve it for the y. So you have mx plus b form, and then the other one is already solved for. So when you do that and you graph them and you use second calc intersect, should write that down. So when you do second calc intersect, that we've done several times previously, you get the two lines intersecting in the point, and here's the x and here's the y, and they do match up to what the x and y are. So we're totally sure that we did the algebra right and we have the correct intersection point.